Hi everyone, I'm Krista from Avail Outsource.
And I'm Albert from CleverKey Consulting Group. And we're here today to talk about how our firms work together to provide solutions to small businesses.
So as you know, we've had some comments from some of our friends who were wondering why our competing firms were collaborating together on these videos. And so I thought maybe we should clarify some of that today for everyone.
Well, in my opinion, I don't think our firms are competing. Instead, I believe they're complementary.
Yeah.
I believe a lot of small businesses can benefit greatly from both of our services at the same time.
Yeah, I completely agree. So can you give us some examples?
I certainly can. Let's consider an entrepreneur who has developed or perfected the better mousetrap.
Okay.
The skill set probably rests in engineering and possibly sales, since it's better for that entrepreneur to be the best salesperson for the product they developed.
Right.
And while they are busy developing and selling, they may not have the time to build the infrastructure necessary to run their own company,
Right.
or possibly even scale it. That's where you and I can provide a tremendous amount of value.
Right. I totally agree with you. Maybe can you elaborate a little bit?
Sure. Let's just say you set up the accounting function and add on human resources and other back office function as the company grows.
Right.
I would provide services to the CEO or entrepreneur by giving him strategic initiatives, developing and interpreting KPIs and success metrics to accelerate the business. Then I'd be working with you together as a team to ensure that what we're building truly supports the scale and direction that the company is going. Think of it as our services being the equivalent of a fully experienced team working for a business on a fractional basis, so the entrepreneurs have time to do what they're good at.
Absolutely. At the end of the day, it's not about one or the other alone. It's more about how much stronger a business can be when both strategy and operations are aligned. We both bring something different to the table, and while one of us is focused on the big picture and the growth metrics, the other is focused on day-to-day operations and making sure the engine is running clean and efficient. And when those two things are aligned, that's when real growth happens with the business, and in turn doesn't burn out the person who's running it.
You know what would be great? This would be a great segue into discussing the importance of having clean records and valuable management reports. All businesses need to know their data so they know where they're winning and where they could possibly be losing.
Absolutely.
And if they don't understand it, it's our job to help them understand it so they can make better business decisions.
Yeah, that's absolutely true. Maybe we should talk about that next time.
We certainly can. And if you think we've missed anything, or if you'd want us to talk about something very specific, please comment below and we will film an episode about it.
Thanks for joining us today.
We'll see you on the next time.